Start to 2000 and then let go. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel Dropping Gears. I'm here with my friend Manny, and I was helping him out switch the serpentine belt and tensioner on his van, and I noticed with his hand controls they're kind of portable, so he takes this off to get out, but it's like a bilge picker. Check it out. He just kind of hooks it up there and easy on, easy off. And I was thinking that for the track, I always have problems with my prosthetic to get the brake for the launch. Yeah, no lazy day, chair day. And if I were to use that, I can apply the pressure that I want on the brake to launch. Something I can't do with my prosthetic. I don't never know. So we're gonna take it out and test it out and see how that goes. Alright, so for weight purposes too, we're gonna weight Edna first, and then we're gonna wear with this. And just in case I decide to take this off, we're gonna weigh this too for weight reduction. So we shall see how it goes. Alright, pop on. Says 125.4. Now let's try holding this. 126.
1 pound.
So 1 pound. Hop off. Good old prosthetic. Vale. Aguanta con las dos manos que no se te. Alright, let's see. With the prosthetic, 137.8. Pretty secure there. Push in. Start button. Oh yeah. Here we go. Todo está bien raro. It's sensitive.
Yeah.
And I'm not even using the gas one. Like you have two, I only use one. I use my leg for gas.
Se siente en ese sentido, ¿verdad?
Huh? Very sensitive. A gas one too. Usually he has two. He has a gas one and then a brake one. So when you push it too hard, it releases, right? Because you're pushing down on it. So oh no, that's okay. Never mind. You gotta pull up on here so it releases. You can push hard and it's not gonna go anywhere. So weight reduction, no leg, gas, brake. Yeah, it's pretty sensitive. I'm not hitting it all the way down. I just wanted to see like alright, so I can start to 2000 and then let go. Sorry. Every time the car hit, I would hit the brake with this. So I will have to learn that. And I don't want to hit the gas all the way. But it's pretty cool. On and off. Take it off. Put it back on, and it works. Alright, no more of that. So there you have it. Maybe next time I go to the track, I'll get one of these and use it, and it will improve my 60 foot maybe, based on the pressure that I'll use on the brake. And if I take my leg off and use this, it's a 12.5 pound weight reduction. I don't think that really matters, 12 pounds, but you never know. So yeah, that's it. So that's it for today. If you like the video, smash that like button, hit the notification bell,
Subscribe.
and see you guys later. Peace.
Peace.
Sereno bebe de la playa, cuando sonríe todo el mundo se de...
Hit that like button, hit the notification bell.
Ah, muy bien.
So that's it for today.
Que estamos libres, que estamos para
Video, hit that like button.
Subscribe. No.
This video, don't forget to
Que cuando me toca a mí,
sí, voy a hacerlo así.
No, exacto.
Sí, voy a hacerlo así.
Peace.